Hello guys, this is one of the stocks that I told you about, stocks that defy gravity. Now you see this stock, this company is called ATK. It's in the aerospace and defense product and services, and it's in the aerospace and defense sector. Okay, now these kind of companies, I don't say they are hidden because they are listed in the stock market, okay? But because it's not well known and no one talks about it, so people, they buy this kind of stocks when they are low in price, and it goes, you see this, when it goes like in a trend, okay, let's say it begins here from $44 until here. So I will just highlight this two things from here until here, and I will tell you why. Okay, let's say, okay, now in all this period that you see here, the volume is very low. Okay, the volume here is 357, 168, 295, 400. It means it is less than 500,000 or less than 1,000,000. Now this low volume stocks, a lot of people put a criteria of high volume in order to sell some kind of stocks. Now these low volume stocks will not show up in their screen when they screen stocks. So although these are good stocks to buy for the long run, especially for those who invest, but people, they can't see it. Why? Because they think that low volume is not a buy. Okay, so when I say stocks that defy gravity, because you see these stocks going up for long. Okay, let's say begin from here. It's July 26, 2012. From July 2012 until January 2014, it means 1 year and a half. It's the same volume. See the volume? 700, 400, 200, 200, 300, 156. It means for 1 year and a half, no one knows about these stocks. There are just a few people who trade there, because there is no that much money to make when you day trade or where you swing trade. Okay, so you should stay as an investor for a long run. Okay, but you see here, after 1 year and a half, here it becomes to be known because we have a lot of volatility. You see the stocks, you see these spikes in green or red, and here in this section here you see the stock from it was 158, it goes to 124. In this section, the people who buy here at the beginning, they sell here and it's over. Okay, for them this stock is over, they will never buy it again. Okay, because they have too much profit for 1 year and a half or 2 years, and then when they see a lot of people begin to know this stock, they get frustrated because they spoil their party. Because the party is when they buy 2 years ago. Okay, they buy 2 years ago, which means in July 2012, and now we are in June, so we are nearly here we are in June, we are nearly in July, so it's 2 years. But the guys, when they see that a lot of people, they have come and they discover this stock, it will be a mess. Because, you know, some people, you know, short sellers, they come, and people who don't know, they buy, tomorrow they sell. It means that there is a lot of trouble here. And sometimes, if you check here the volume, you will never see 1 million. Okay, but this here, you will see 1 million, the beginning of 1 million. It means from like here, 193 or 200, to have 1 million, it means 5 times the volume. Now, when it is 5 times the volume, all the day traders, almost the day traders, when they see the high volume, they come to this kind of stocks and they make a mess, because they, you know, they buy a lot. You see, from 200 it goes to 1 million. It means 5 times the shares traded at the day. Okay, and before it was only 200. See here, it's just 111. From 100 here, after 2 weeks, it goes to 1 million. It means 10 times the volume. And some people, as I told you before, they are looking at the volume and they follow it. For example, for me, I have never seen the volume. Okay, what I see is always, I see the bid and the ask. If the bid and the ask is okay for me, is 1 cent or 2 cents or 3 cents, depending on the volatility of the stock, I buy it. I don't care about the volume that much, because I don't buy that much. I will not go and buy 20,000 or 30,000 shares of a stock. Never. Okay, this is because of money management. I will not put a lot of money in one stock. All the stocks for me are the same. Okay, wherever is the stock, every stock is for me is the same. Okay, so as I told you before, you see this section here. You see this section here. All this 1 year and a half, it was okay. And you see this section here, beginning from this date, which is, what is it? Which is January 2014. And afterwards, some people, they discover this stock, and that's why we have a problem here. Okay, and that's why the people who buy here at this area here, they sell it here in this time here, in this period. It takes them for 1 week or 2, and they sell everything. Now the stock here will be I guess will be more volatile. Maybe it goes down, maybe it goes up, but this stock is over. Okay, I have no idea where it can go, but maybe they short it and there is a big sell-off here. Maybe it continues a little bit and there is another sell-off, and it will go to where it was before, like $44 or $45 2 years ago. Okay, now this is what I project for this kind of stock. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question about this kind of stocks, please comment, thumb up or subscribe. Thank you very much.